In this video, I'm going to talk about how to count the number of oscillations. And if you remember, here we will count how many times, how many peaks do you see that they go down, and we will count. If you want, you can quantify how symmetrical they are. You know, if they have only one peak, or they have different points. And let me show you how to do it. So the first thing that you have to do is, I know that you already add your data here as I show you, and you might have something that look like this. Something like look like this. Yeah. So what I want is that you go and Control C and copy that into a, a PowerPoint. Why? Because it's just easier for handling, for counting things in PowerPoint than in Excel or in Word. So when you copy it later, you can just do two things. I just label it like this. You can also make these squares. How you do that is very easy. Let me show you. So I go home, then shapes, and then if you go to shapes, here you can create this shape. If you want to make it transparent so you can see them, just go uh, right click in my computer. If you have a Mac, maybe it could be slightly different, but in the fill, you say no fill. And if you want to make it a different color, you just go here to shape outline. And here you can make it red. And here, if you click in the side, in this arrow, you can increase the width so it's more obvious. And I like sometimes to make it uh, like these dashes, yeah, so it's easier for me. So this is one way. You can also you can do it in different ways, and in this way you can put in a square in each one of the peaks. So for example, here you have one peak. You see if this is one oscillation, and if you see it's only one time point. However, if you go to this one, you have one peak that finished there, and you find one, two, three, four, five, six. So you find peaks that have only one, yeah, that right away they go down, or you find other ones that they can be that they take sometimes to go down. And the idea that I just add them and then I quantify it here. So for example, I add them uh, just for me. I go and add this um, here the letter, and I can just go here and say that this is a 1, and you can make an arrow. Here you find arrows. Here you find the letters. Here you find the square. The idea is that in this way I can quantify it. And here you find 1, you find here 2, this one is the third, this one is the fourth. If you see, this is a little bit asymmetrical. Here it goes up a lot, but it goes down a little bit. And you can quantify the number, and if you find that there is other measurements that you can do, you can create a video, or you can tell me what type of quantifications that you did, and just let me know. So later, after you finish quantifying that, you can just go here, highlight everything. If you want, you can even go here in group, and in that way you can everything will move as a group. And instead of moving individually, that sometimes you can copy one thing and the other one don't it's not copy, so you highlight all those things. And now you go Control C And you can go again to your table, and now you have it here. You can paste it here, Control V, paste it here, and now it's much easier. Mhm. And this is and now what you can do is analyze all these things together. What it means that there is so many changes in the rate of changes in cell area. What do you mean with this, with the number of oscillation? What it means that there are many small changes instead of extreme changes, and you can analyze that data. If you have any doubt or any question, just let me know. Have a good day and bye.